Hey yo, what up? Yo, welcome back to Project Peso. It's a Thursday, the 7th of May, and oh my God, check it out, yo. We broke down the 6,000 level. Yep, we up 1.12% today. How'd you love that, huh? We up 14K in our portfolio, and not just that, second day in a row, 1.3 million, 1,315,028. That's what we all about, yo. And check out the unrealized loss, yo. It's been a while since I've seen this number this low when it comes to our unrealized loss. And here's our realized. We actually closed some positions today, but this is not how the way do we do it. Later on, I'm going to um, teach you or show you how we made money. We actually made money. I'll tell you about the moves. So dry powder, 68K. We made or we filled some orders at the same time we got back. We sold some orders as well. That means we got some dodo. All right. So welcome to the Project Peso. And what we're doing right now is daily we're doing an autopsy in our blackout ledger. This right here is a blackout ledger. We have our mantra, all right, the alpha protocol, stoicism, and of course, rebalancing, going for high dividend yield plays. So let's begin. So first up, let's go to the index. All right. So gainers, oh, CMPF, not bad. BDO. So after BPI and MBT, I think that was the other day, going up 4%. It's BDO's turn, but MBT, man, we have this in our portfolio. It's up 3% today, Monday. I would love to get a Monday quite a while before, but unfortunately not. So losers for today, we got Converge, SMPH, JGS, MC, GT Cap, and of course Avery. For Converge, there has been some news on the sidelines that most probably they'll be taken out of the index. So let's check it out. Just like DJ Plus and most probably Maynilad will creep up the index. I don't know. But yo, check it out. Why do you think our portfolio is up today 1% just like the index? Most probably because of this. You got it. ICT, baby. Yeah, that just excites me, yo. That just excites me. So, top gainers for today, let's check it out. M wide, okay. CMPF, Siri, OGP is up 5%. I think they declared their dividend. There's a dividend declaration earlier for OGP, so most probably that's why it rose 5%. Now, for the worst losers, who do we know here? Hmm Pizza. Okay, Shakey's is down. Okay, that's something. Nickel is down after going up yesterday. I think they were up 6 or 7%. Okay, so that's that. Let's go to our portfolio. hmm Let me show you what we got today. See that? See that? See? Effing that, yo. 785 pesos. We got an average quarter of 682. Now we have an unrealized profit of 36K. And the percentage when it comes to the profit, it's quite high. I think it's time to take profit. No, not yet. Most probably this could go on and on and on and on, especially it's a market hedge only the PSE for the dollar, not just for the dollar, but for inflation itself. The way ICTSI's business is modeled, man, I tell you, I think we're just going to keep it as it is. Our second best, uh, Morocco, and then third best we got Emery. Now for the worst ones, keeper. It rose up earlier. Let's see that. Let's see that. For today, keeper up 3%. We made 3,700. And talking about Metrobank, we back at 66. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to buy at 64.05. I did say that I would love to buy at 64.05, but it flew up to 66. What can I say? It is what it is. We missed Metrobank play, Apex play that could have been easy. That's what happens when you work in 9 to 5 and you just have this as your side hustle. All right. So next up, DG Plus. It was up a little bit earlier. Metrobank just down 4% now, and ACEN. Whew, I love seeing this, man. ACEN before we were down as low as negative 30% plus. Now we down negative 10% plus. We closed a position. Let me show you that. Let me show you that. We closed a position with ACEN. Here it is. So this is Lepanto. We made a speculative play, just the minimum, 10,000 shares, and Maynilad, which we executed yesterday during the show. ASIN, man, this is what I'm talking about. So we did 6,000 shares, 3.25. You know what? Let's update our file. So this is our main first MetroSec profit tracker. We're going to um, update it. Where's the first ASIN one? Here it is. Um, so we bought it at 2.98 and we selling it at 3.25. I know for you who are new here, I know I do it manually. I could automate it, yes, but I actually prefer doing it manually. It's one of those times that I can internalize this stuff, especially if we winning. So this is in the green. Okay, now let's do it like this. Yep, you got it. This is in the green. Okay, there you go. So the second one, we got 2,000 shares, 3.25. So most probably around 700 pesos. Let's see. There you go. Just 597. Most probably be due to the fees. Yep, that's how it goes. Next, this is the second one. The third one, we got just 1,000 shares, 3.25. Mm-hmm. Well, 298. Okay, let's update that to the green. Now let's go to the fourth one. That's the third one we just did. Still 1,000 shares. Mm-hmm. So that's 6,000 shares in total. 3.25. Okay. Put that over there. Let's change the color background. So let's try adding it up. All right. So here we go. That's one. That's two. Where's the third one? The third one's here. And lastly, the fourth one. Where you at? Here you go. So today we made almost 2,000 pesos. Not too bad, especially for a side hustle. That's it for updating our. Oh, you know what? Not yet. Let's try to update this. So 12,500 running for the month. 12,500 plus most probably 22,800. Okay, 22,800. So 26, 26, 40, around 41K. 41K it is. 41K it is. Not too shabby if you ask me. Yo, so let's go to our the autopsy, the direct autopsy for today. So our portfolio pushed higher today, locking in a strong 14,595 pesos daily profit. It's the broader PSEi finally broke past the psychological 6,000 resistance level, closing at 6,034.27. By the way, yep, you got it right. We broke it down, today. And hopefully we'll be successive up until tomorrow, even ending the week. But most probably it's a Friday tomorrow, so there's a really big chance that retail or investors are going to sell. Traders are going to sell. So our consolidated equity has now reached a new milestone, 1,315,028 and 15 cents. You love it, man. So here are executions today, just like what I said, ACEN. We sold it at 3.25 in general. Realized profit of just 240 pesos. Maynilad. We executed a Maynilad 100 shares earlier at 23.50. We got that. And Lepanto, which is a speculative accumulation. It's just a very small 2,000 move. I actually promised myself not to do these tingy stuff, but it's gold and silver. It's gold and silver. We on a war. Gold and silver is going to skyrocket maybe someday. I'm just thinking, like, maybe I'll just put it there and let it fly after a couple of months. Let's see what happens. So here are the catalysts for today's prime movers. We got MBT Metrobank plus 3.20, which closed at 66.10. So the market is now aggressively pricing in Metrobank's recently released first quarter 2006 financial reports. The bank officially posted a massive net income of 12.6 billion pesos for the first quarter. Furthermore, long-term investors are reacting positively to their physical expansion as Metrobank opened three new branches nationwide in first quarter to expand consumer access. Yep, you got that right. So for the speculative play, this is what it's all about. The Pando engages primarily in the exploration and mining of gold, silver, and copper. Since shifting its focus to gold bullion production via its Victoria project, the stock acts as highly sensitive proxy for global precious metals. With Philippine inflation hitting 7.2 earlier this week, domestic investors are rotating capital into hard asset and basic material equities as a systemic inflation hedge. And here it is, the 6,000 PSEi Breakout. How'd you love that? Yeah. Yo, I love to do this daily. I'm loving it, yo. Hopefully you're enjoying it yourself. Um, Dissecting, doing an autopsy in our blackout ledger following the alpha protocol. You know what? See you tomorrow. It's a Friday. Let's close the week strong on a weekend. Ciao.